kailangan. And for you, you attack head-on, derecho, walang kaba. Intimidate your opponent. Show them who's in charge. Do not have second doubts. Follow your heart. Don't listen to distractions and don't give them an inch.
Oo, gets ko na.